No matter what you do, your body fat won't melt. You exercise, you cut down on your food, but you still don't see any change? Watch this video because I'll tell you the real problem. How is body fat stored? When we eat high carbohydrate foods, blood sugar rises, insulin is released, and fat is stored. Fats are the ones we can touch, but the most dangerous ones are those stored around internal organs. If you constantly eat foods that keep insulin high, your body won't have any chance to burn fat. Instead of white bread, whole grain bread. Instead of white rice, brown rice. Instead of chips and sweets, nuts and dark chocolate. Eat plenty of protein, maintain your muscles, and speed up fat burning. Eat healthy fats. Fat doesn't make you fat. On the contrary, it helps your metabolism. Move smart. Aerobics plus strength plus HIIT. Stress and lack of sleep equals more fat. 7 to 8 hours of sleep is essential. Now that you've learned the main secrets of fat burning, which method do you use the most? Write in the comments. And if this video was useful to you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next videos.